Welcome to OfficeKit HR. In this video, we'll be walking you through our mobile app Core HR. After entering the mobile app code and user details, you will be logged into the app. On top left, you can see employee name and ID. When you click on the employee's profile icon, we can see their profile, their personal, professional, COVID vaccination details, qualification, communication, skills, all data can be viewed from here. And the employees have a provision to upload these data directly from the mobile app. By clicking on Add New, they can add details, and by clicking on the pen icon, they can also edit these details. On top right side, we have notification where employees will receive all kind of notification related to the data in the system. Then we have your team where you can see all your team members. If they are present today, there will be green dot, and if they are absent, it will be red dot. When we click on an employee, you can see they punch in details like date, punch in and punch out time. If geotagging feature is enabled, by clicking on the location icon, you can see from where they have punched in. Then we can also see our team's planned leaves from here. Then we have employees' daily sentiments. So when employees mark their sentiments, daily mood tracker report can be generated through the system. If any actions are pending to be taken, it will be notified here in red. So by clicking from here itself, you can complete that action. We can access pending list from bottom tab also. Then we have news feed. The latest news circulating in the organization will be notified here. Then we have forms and policy. So from here, the employees can download it and view. Then we have documents module. From here, the employees can view their documents and also add documents directly from their mobile. For specific documents like passport, we can set expiry date also so that they will be notified before expiry. Then below, we can see the current date and total worked hours of the employee today. From here, you can mark your attendance using mobile app. Here, check-in and check-out time will be recorded. You can also choose whether you are working from home or office. Employees can download their payroll slip through mobile app. They can also view all their slips from here. Then below, the employees can view their total unpaid days count for the month. So from here, the employees have the provision to apply for request or regularize it. Now let's go to leave module. Here, the employees can view their leave balance for each type of leave. For making leave request, click on apply leave. Here, you have to choose the leave type. Then the leave balance for that leave will be displayed. Then you have to select the from date and to date. Then here, our team's planned leave will appear. Select the date type, full day or half day. Now we have to enter the reason for leave. You also have option to enter contact details. So after filling all the details, click on apply leave. Then the request will be made. So you can check the status of your request in pending list. You can see who all are pending for approval. If you want to delete your request, you can do it from here. On top right, we have Approval tab from where HR can approve leave request individually and in bulk. Then we have Leave Cancellation from where we can cancel a leave request already approved. Here you will have to mention the reason for cancelling. Then we have Compensatory Gain. Here employees can apply for compensatory leave. First, they have to select the holiday or weekend date on which they worked. If they have worked, their log for that day will appear here. Then you have to select full day or half day. Then enter a remark and submit. So it will go for approval. Then we have leave rejoining application. In Gulf countries, when employees rejoin after their annual leave, they have to make this rejoin application. Click on apply rejoin. Select the leave. Enter the rejoining date and submit. So the HR will be notified that you are rejoining. Now let's go to attendance module. Here we have provision for on-duty request. Employees have to enter the purpose from and to date, and after filling the mandatory details, you can apply OD. Then we have another provision where employees can request for late in early out. Due to some reasons, employees might reach office late or they want to leave office early. Click on late in early out request. If HR has set any monthly limit for request, it will appear here. Then you have to select the type, whether it is late in, early out or both. Then select the date, enter the reason, late in hours and then apply. Then we have attendance regularization. If the employee forgot to punch in or punch out, they can apply for this. Click on regularization request. Here we can see how many regularization we have requested. Then our shift will be displayed. Then select the date for which you are regularizing. Your system log time will appear here. Then you have to select whether as per shift time or by clicking plus sign you can manually enter the time. And enter a reason and submit and it will go for approval. Then we have attendance report. Here employees can see their today report, their weekly report and monthly report. HR or team lead can get access to their team attendance report also from here. Then we have overtime request. Employees want to work overtime, they can request from here. Choose the date, select the from time and to time, then total hours will appear above. Here we have option to end with next day if employee is working till then. Then underneath, according to the system log, total work hours, shortage if any, will appear. Then you have to enter the reason and apply. Then we have break permission, where employees can request for break permission for some hours. Click on requests, choose the current date, enter from time and to time, enter the purpose and click on apply.